starting?
Yeah, go.
Oh, okay. Hi, my name's Justin McSwede, and we're out here on my show, Hiking in Nature.
It's good. It's really good.
Out here when we're walking around, you know, the number one thing is survival. It's got to find food. That's our number one step right here. You know, we got to find some... Jeez. You got to watch out for them bushes. They're vicious. They will eat you alive. Step 2, got to watch out for the bush. Alright, but now, step 1, you got to find some food. You got to get some yum yums in that tum tum, eh? Now, so first step, we gotta look for some food. So let's look around, you know. Right? There's some food! Oh, looks like we hit the jackpot, eh? Hooey. This looks like a nice little delicacy we're gonna eat up here. So be careful. You know, when you're eating these little delicacies, you gotta be careful. Because if you eat one, you might die, because it might actually be poison. Now that's a plot twist for you. Alright, I'm going to start chewing up the first one. It wasn't poison. That wasn't poison either. Oh.
Slow down. You'll get hiccups.
Tell me what you do.
You'll get hiccups.
Whatever I want. Now, you see, that's what you do for food. Now, I'm going to teach you what the next. What the next most important survival tip is for you, alright? I'm going to take this napkin to go. Big on tree. Yeah. Well, hi there. Looks like it's time for step 2. Now, step 2 is a very important step, you know? Alright. So you see that? See that right there? That's called the horizon. Now you see that? Now that's the sun. Now sun's getting pretty dark, you know? So you know what that means? It means we gotta find ourselves some shelter for the night. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look around. Now, shelter is a really hard thing to come by. So we're gonna have to look around the best we can and see what we can find. Now that we got ourselves a shelter, we can make ourselves at home, you know? You know, that's all, yeah. What's on TV, anything good? Oh, it's a nice soda. It's delicious. What's with the racket? Whoa, you hear that? That's the sound of a great American grizzly bear coming. We got a camouflage now so that the grizzly bear doesn't find us. Alright? Good thing I'm wearing my handy dandy camo jacket.